Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to restore default font settings in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to navigate to your button search bar, and here you need to type for Control space panel. The moment you have typed it, wait until a message will appear, which is a system called Control Panel. And here you need to go with Open to continue. Okay, so if your view or window doesn't look like this, just proceed with View by and change it into category. Once done, go with Appearance and Personalization. And here you would be able to see three options. Here you need to go with Fonts. Click on it. And the moment you have the click on it, wait until this window will appear, which contains the font settings. Where here you need to proceed on the font settings. Click on it at the left side of that. And here you'd be able to see font settings, and there is an option where you can restore default font settings. Click on it. And the moment you have the click on it, it will be grayed out, meaning that you have successfully restored the default font settings. Now, in order to complete the process, you just have to close this window and navigate to your start icon, and this time you need to restart your computer. Now, there is a need to restart your computer in order to complete the process and in order to make any changes on the step that we have just followed or performed. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.